Good morning, all. Welcome to the lecture of complex analysis. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so in last lecture we have seen what is a critical point. What is a critical point? What is a critical point of bilinear transformation?
Point where derivative is 0 or infinity.
Yes, the point at which the derivative of a given bilinear transformation is either 0 or infinity. Okay, such a point is called as a critical point. Okay, now there are some special types of Mobius transformation. Actually, they are the types of linear transformation, but every linear transformation is a Mobius transformation. Okay, so some types of Mobius transformation. There are four types of Mobius transformation. Actually, there are four types of Mobius transformation, and they are in which first one is nothing but the translation. Second one is rotation. Third one is magnification, which is also called as dilation. And the last one is nothing but inversion. Okay, so we'll see one by one. First, we will see what is a translation. So let us see its definition. The first type, which is nothing but translation. A transformation of the form. A transformation of the form W equal to some Z plus beta. Okay, that is the complex number plus some complex constant is called as a translation. It's called as a translation. Okay, and in this transformation,
सर काही जणांना जॉईन होता येत नाहीये.
okay, join करायचं. So in this transformation, so in this transformation, the figure in W plane, the figure in W plane, that is UV plane, is same as the figure in Z plane, that is XY plane. Figure in Z plane with different origin. With different origin. Okay, so what is a translation? Any transformation which is of the form W equal to Z plus beta is called as a translation. And in this transformation, as translation is a type of transformation, then in this transformation, any figure which is given by our given transformation, the figure in our UV plane, that is W plane, is same as the figure in our Z plane, but the origin will be different. Okay, see one example. Let us take a rectangle. Let a rectangular domain RB bounded by R be bounded by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 2, and y equal to 1. Now determine the region. Determine the region R dash of W plane into which R is into which R is mapped under the translation or transformation mapped under the transformation is translation transformation W equal to Z plus 2 minus I. Okay, so here we have given one rectangular region in our Z plane, which is bounded by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 2, and y equal to 1. And also we have given a transformation, which is translation, since it is of the form w equal to z plus beta. Here value of beta will be 2 minus I. And from this one, we have to find out the region in w plane. Okay, so by given as w is equal to z plus 2 minus I. Z is nothing but complex number. Then it is of the form x plus iy plus our beta as it is 2 minus I. W is nothing but u plus iv. Okay, so take z plus 1 minus 2i. Here take beta as 1 minus 2i. Minus 2i. Then take the imaginary and real parts. So there is nothing but x plus 1 plus I into y minus 2, and which is equal to u plus I. Now comparing the real and imaginary parts. What is the value of u?
X plus 1.
X plus 1, and y is equal to, v is equal to y minus 2. But we have given the values of x and y since we have provided a region in z plane. Okay, just put the values of x as 0 and x equal to 2 and y as 0 and 1. Then we get, now we have x equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay, and y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. As x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, which implies u is equal to 0 plus 1, which is 1, and u is equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. And also v is equal to y minus 2 and y equal to 0 and y equal to 1, which implies v is equal to 0 minus 2, which is minus of 2, and 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So here we get the values of uv. U is equal to 1 and 3, and v is equal to minus 2 and minus 1. Now the required images image is a rectangle R dash, bounded by the lines, u equal to 1, u equal to 3, v equal to minus 2, and v equal to minus 1 in w plane. Let us draw this one. Now, the first will be okay. Now, first we have to find out the image in Z plane. In Z plane, we have given x equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to 0, y equal to 1. So x equal to 0 is here, y equal to 0 is same here, x is equal to 2 here, and y is equal to 1. Okay, so this region we have given. Okay, so this will be our required region R in Z plane. Okay, so this will be a Z plane. Now we have to find out the rectangle in W plane. This will be a U line and this one is B. Okay. Now the values of u and v are u equal to 1, u equal to 3. These points u equal to 1, u equal to 3, and corresponding to u equal to 1, v is equal to minus 2. U equal to 1, v equal to minus 2. This point. And second one is u equal to 3, v equal to minus 1. U equal to 3 and v equal to minus 1. Okay, so this will be our rectangle. Okay, so this will be a rectangle R dash and which is in W plane. Okay, so by the definition of our translation means it is any transformation of the form W equal to Z plus beta, and this transformation, in this transformation the figure in W plane is same as the figure in Z plane with different origin. Okay, so both the figures that is in Z plane and W plane both are same, but here the region will be at positive in both. Here both x and y are positive, but here we have changed our origin in which x is positive and y is a negative. Okay, well, काही doubt यामध्ये?
नो सर.
ओके, फक्त तुम्ही काय चेंज करणार आहे, आपला जो कॉन्स्टंट कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्स्टंट आहे त्याची व्हॅल्यू काहीतरी तुम्हाला पर्टिक्युलर दिली असेल, त्याच्यानुसार आपल्याला जे काही तुमच्या व्हॅल्यू करस्पॉन्डिंग व्हॅल्यू जे असतील एक्स वायच्या त्यामध्ये चेंजेस होतील. त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला जे तुमची फिगर आहे ती ॲज इट इजच मिळेल, फक्त ते कुठं असेल माहित नाही, त्यात ट्रान्सलेट होईल तुमचं जे फिगर आता एका ठिकाणी जे झेड प्लेन मध्ये जे एका ठिकाणी आहे तिथून कुठेतरी दुसरीकडे ट्रान्सलेट होईल. ओके, म्हणून त्याचं नाव आहे ट्रान्सलेशन. ओके, हियर जस्ट we have a origin is changed since here our in Z plane the region is in both x and y are positive, that is in first quadrant, and in W plane the region is the rectangle is in fourth quadrant, in which x is positive and y is negative. Okay, so by this one there is one note. A translation mapping does not change the size and shape of the figure. Size and shape of the figure. ओके, ट्रान्सलेशन मॅपिंग मध्ये तुमची साईज जी दिलेली आहे रेक्टँगल किंवा रिजन जे काही आहे त्याची साईज हे सेम असेल दोन्ही प्लेन मध्ये, शेप ही सारखाच असेल, फक्त चेंज काय होईल, त्याचं ओरिजिन चेंज होईल. म्हणजे ते एका जर ठिकाणी असेल तर तिथून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जाईल, कारण करस्पॉन्डिंग तुमच्या एक्स वायच्या व्हॅल्यू चेंज झाल्यानंतर युव्ही चे व्हॅल्यू ही करस्पॉन्डिंग त्याचे चेंज होतील. म्हणजे तुमचा एक रेक्टँगल हा त्या ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणावर जाईल, पण तो दिसायलाही ऍज इट इज असेल आणि त्याची साईज ही जितकी आहे तितकीच असेल. अँड सच अ ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन इज कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रान्सलेशन. ओके, कुणाला काही डाऊट यामध्ये?
नो सर.
Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose there is a translation W equal to Z plus 2 plus. Let W is equal to Z plus 2 plus I. And suppose we have given a region in both the planes, in Z plane, that is here. One, two, three, four. 1. This will be x and this will be y. And the region is here 1, this 2, here this will be 1, 2, 3. It means it is actually it is nothing but I. Okay, so this region will be given here I. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 plus I. This will be actually it is an point I, since it is a imaginary line. Okay, actually either we can take 1, 2, 3 or it has take as 1, 2, I, 3, I, whatever. Okay, so this will be I, 2 plus I, this will 2, and here somewhere will be 0. And we have given a translation mapping which is equal to Z plus 2 plus I. Here the values of Z are 0, 2, 2 plus I and I. Just put that values. If Z equal to 0, which implies W equal to 0 plus 2 plus I, which is 2 plus I. If Z equal to 2, which implies W equal to 2 plus 2 plus I, which is 4 plus I. Z equal to I, which implies I plus 2 plus I, which is 2 plus 2I. 2 plus 2I. And last one, which is nothing but Z equal to 2 plus I, and which implies 2 plus I plus 2 plus I, which is nothing but 4 plus 2I. W equal to 4 plus 2I. Now just draw a rectangle from these given values. Okay, so here value is equal to 2, V equal to 1. Just first take the x and y axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This will be a V and this will be. Okay, so here somewhere will be 0. Now take W equal to 2 plus I. It means U equal to 2 and V equal to 1. U equal to 2, V equal to 1. This point is nothing but 2 plus I. 2 plus I. Second one is 4 plus I. This one will be 4 plus I. Next point is 2 plus 2I. This will be 2 plus 2I is here somewhere. Okay, so this will be 2 plus 2I. And last one is 4 plus 2I. This one is here. 4 plus 2I. Now just join these points. Then we get a rectangle which is same as the rectangle in our Z plane, and these are the region bounded by these lines. This will be R and this will be R dash. Okay, so मला सेम रिजन R सारखाच रिजन R डॅश मिळेल कुठं W प्लेन मध्ये, जो दिसायला आणखी साईज दोन्ही सेम असेल कोणासारखी, जी की रिजन W प्लेन आहे त्याच्यासारखी, पण फक्त माझा जो ओरिजिन आहे तो मात्र चेंज होईल. कशाने चेंज होईल? माझ्या दिलेले व्हॅल्यू बीटाने 2 प्लस आय ने प्रत्येक पॉइंट हा माझा चेंज होईल. ठीक आहे. तुला काही डाऊट यामध्ये?
नो सर.
Okay, now the next point, which is nothing but the rotation. Second one, rotation. A transformation of the form, a transformation of the form W equal to Z into e to the power I theta is called as a rotation. Is called as a rotation. Okay. Now, under this transformation, by this transformation, the figure in Z plane rotate through an angle theta, rotated through an angle theta, angle theta. Okay, and if theta is greater than 0, then the rotation is anti-clockwise. If theta is greater than 0, then rotation is anti-clockwise. Means anti-clockwise. And if theta is less than 0, then the rotation is clockwise. Theta is less than 0, then our rotation is clockwise. Okay. So what is a rotation? The transformation of the form Z into e to the power I theta is called as a rotation, and by this transformation our figure in Z plane is rotated through an angle theta in W plane. Again here our our region is same as in the Z plane, but it only changes its position. Okay. There is one more definition of this type of transformation, and which is a transformation of the form W equal to AZ is called as a rotation if modulus of A will be equal to 1. That is transformation of the type W equal to AZ, where modulus of A equal to 1 is called as a rotation. It's called as a rotation. Since we know that both the definition have the same meaning, whatever will be the value of theta, e to the power I theta, modulus of e to the power I theta is always equal to 1. So both the definitions are same. Either we can take A in such a way that modulus of A equal to 1, or e to the power I theta. Both the definitions are same. Now let us take one example of this type. Consider the rotation W equal to Z into e to the power I pi by 4. Okay. Now we have to determine the region R dash in W plane corresponding to the region R in Z plane. As here pi by 4, value of theta is pi by 4, and which is greater than 0. Then the rotation must be anti-clockwise, since here we have given If theta is greater than 0, then the rotation must be anti-clockwise. As pi by 4 is greater than 0, then our rotation must be an anti-clockwise. So determine the region R dash in W plane corresponding to triangular region R in Z plane bounded by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, first we will draw its figure in Z plane. Okay, so these are the values x, y. This will be I to y. This will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we have given x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. X equal to 0 is here and y equal to 0 is again here only. And second one is nothing but x plus y equal to 1. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 1, this point. If y equal to 0, x equal to 1, this point. Similarly, if x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 is somewhere here. Similarly, if x equal to 2, then y equal to minus 1. And if x equal to minus 2, then y equal to 3. X equal to minus 2 here somewhere, then y equal to 3 somewhere here, this point. So here we get a triangular region, this region. We get a region which passes through these 2 points. Okay, section. So we get this region. Okay, so this will be our required R. Okay, now this will be our given region, and from that one we have to find out the region R dash in W plane by using these values. So here we have given a rotation is nothing but W equal to Z into e to the power I pi by 4. Okay, as Z is a complex number, then which is of the form x plus iy. Okay, and e to the power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore, here as value of theta will be equal to pi by 4, then it can be written as cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Since e to the power I theta is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so which is equal to x plus iy. What is the value of cos pi by 4?
1 upon root 2.
1 upon root 2. And what about sin pi by 4?
1 by root 2.
Which is also 1 by root 2. Okay, so which is nothing but x plus iy into 1 plus I divided by root 2. Okay, now just multiply both the brackets, then we get x into 1, x plus x into I, ix plus I into x plus I into y, I into I square will be minus 1, which is minus of y divided by root 2. So which can be written as x minus y plus I into x plus y divided by root 2, which is u plus I. Then what are the values of u and v? U equal to x minus y divided by root 2, and v is equal to x plus y divided by root 2. But we have given x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y equal to 1. But x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y equal to 1 is given. Okay, now just first put the value of x as a 0. Then we get as x equal to 0, which implies u equal to minus of y divided by root 2 and v is equal to x equal to y equal to 0, then it is sorry x equal to 0, then it is y upon root 2. Okay, so u is just a negative of v, which implies v equal to minus of u, and also y equal to 0, which implies u equal to x by root 2 and v is also x by root 2. So which implies u is nothing but v here. And finally we have given x plus y is equal to 1. Also x plus y equal to 1. So we have to just put x plus y equal to 1 in v. Then we get v, as v is x plus y upon root 2, then which implies v is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, now just draw a region by using these three values, that is u equal to minus v, sorry, v equal to minus u, u equal to v, and v equal to 1 by root 2. So our given w plane is here. This will be u and this will be v. As u equal to v, then it gives a straight line. U equal to v is somewhere here. Similarly, v equal to minus u is same diagram, but it is in second quadrant. This will be a line which is u equal to v, and this will be v equal to minus of. Now, last value which is nothing but v equal to 1 by root 2. If suppose this will be some 1, then 1 by root 2 is somewhere here. Okay, sorry, here somewhere will be 1 by root 2. Just draw a line. Okay, so here is our v equal to 1 by root 2. Our required region is then, this region will be our required region. This will be R dash. Okay. Now see the figure in W plane, that is this one. This one is same as the figure in our Z plane, but it just rotated through an angle pi by 4. Okay, जी तो माझी इमेज आहे, R आहे तो फक्त pi by 4 अँगल नी इकडे अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन नी फिरलाय. बाकीचं साईज आणि शेप दिलेल्या सॉरी रिजन आर चा जो आहे तोच आर डॅश चा पण आहे, फक्त तो रोटेट झालाय अँगल थीटा, थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू पाय बाय. ओके, सो here there is one also important note, which is nothing but a rotation mapping does not change the size and shape of the figure. Shape of the figure. Okay. जी फिगर माझी झेड प्लेन मध्ये आहे तीच फिगर मला डब्ल्यू प्लेन मध्येही मिळेल, फक्त ती जर थीटा ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असेल तर अँटी क्लॉकवाईज फिरेल, आणि जर थीटा लेस दॅन 0 असेल तर ती क्लॉकवाईज फिरेल. जर इन्स्टेड ऑफ आपण पाय बाय 4 जर मायनस पाय बाय 4 घेतला असता इथे minus pi by 4, then this one is nothing but cos minus of pi by 4 plus I sin minus of pi by 4. But cos of minus theta is again cos theta. Therefore, here we get cos of pi by 4 will be 1 by root 2, and sin of minus theta is nothing but minus of sin theta. Then we get minus of 1 by root 2. Then here is 1 minus I divided by root 2. If here is 1 minus I divided by root 2, then this will be nothing but x plus IY into 1 minus I divided by root 2. And if we multiply this one, then we get x minus ix plus iy minus of minus plus y divided by root 2, and we get x plus y divided by root 2 plus I into y minus x divided by root 2. Okay, then by just putting the values we get a region somewhere here. तिथं कुठेतरी आपल्याला करस्पॉन्डिंग रिजन मिळाला असता. या लाईन सोबत ची लाईन इकडे कुठेतरी मिळाली असते, म्हणजे जो माझा रोटेशन आहे तो क्लॉकवाईज झाला असता. आता कुठं झालंय आपलं रोटेशन हा अँटी क्लॉकवाईज झालाय, कारण थिटा इक्वल टू पाय बाय 4 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. ओके, यात कुणाला काही डाऊट?
नो सर.
Okay. Now the last type, which is nothing but the second last, magnification. So see what is a magnification. A transformation of the form W equal to AZ is called as a magnification where A is greater than 0. Where A greater than 0 is called a magnification. And here A is real. Okay, so a transformation of the form W equal to AZ where A is a real number which is greater than 0, and such a transformation is called as a magnification. Okay, let us see what is actually a magnification. The two figures in Z plane and W plane, that is the figures in Z plane and W plane are similar. Similar and similarly situated. About their respective origin. But the figure in W plane, is A times the figure in Z plane. A times the figure in Z plane. Okay, so under magnification mapping, both the figures are situated about their respective origin. That is, origin will be same, but just a image in W plane is A times the image in Z plane. Okay, if A is greater than 1, then it must be larger one than the image in Z plane, and if A is less than 1, that is in between 0 to 1, then it has size of the image in W plane is less than the size of image in Z plane. Okay, the transformation W equal to 2Z. Now determine the region. R dash into which the triangular region R is enclosed by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y equal to. Okay, just draw first a image in Z plane. from previous diagram. This will be our respective diagram. So this will be point 1. Okay, and the required region will be this one. But we have given W equal to 2z. This will be a line x plus y equal to. Now, as W is equal to 2z, which implies 2 into x plus I1, which is u plus ib, which implies u equal to 2x and v is equal to 2y. Okay, so which implies if u equal x equal to 0, which implies u equal to 0, y equal to 0, v equal to 0, and x plus y is equal to 1. Then u plus v is equal to 2x plus 2y, and which is equal to 2 times x plus y, and x plus y is equal to 1, which implies u plus v will be equal to 2. Now its corresponding region is this will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. U equal to 0, v equal to 0. These points. Now u plus v equal to 2. U equal to 0, v equal to 2. V equal to 0, u equal to 2, and all the remaining points are in between these lines. बाकीचे सर्व पॉइंट माझ्या या लाईनवर येतील. यू आणखीन विच व्हॅल्यू चेंज केल्यानंतर. ओके, सो दिस विल बी अ लाईन विच इज नथिंग बट u plus v equal to 2, and this will be our required region r dash. ओके, सो दोन फिगर मध्ये काय फरक असेल माझा, फक्त जी माझी रिजन, जो माझा रिजन हा डब्ल्यू प्लेन मध्ये मिळणार आहे, जो काही माझा ए असेल, इथं ए किती आहे माझा 2 आहे, म्हणजे इथली इमेज ही 2 टाइम्सनी मोठी असेल या इमेज पेक्षा. ओके, सिन्स डब्ल्यू इक्वल टू 2z. ओके, जर हेच जर 1/2 असतं तर याच्यापेक्षा थोडं कमी आले असते, म्हणजे इन बिटवीन हियर समवेअर इज अवर डब्ल्यू सॉरी द रिजन इन आर डॅश इन डब्ल्यू प्लेन, असं काहीतरी रिजन मिळालं असतं. इथं जर ते 2 टाइम न वाढणार आहे, याचा अर्थ मला काहीतरी मोठी डायग्राम मिळेल जी की डबल असेल झेड प्लेन पेक्षा. सॉरी, रिजन आर डॅश हा डबल असेल रिजन आर पेक्षा, जो की हा डब्ल्यू प्लेन मध्ये मिळणार. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला काही डाऊट यामध्ये?
नो सर.
ना वेदर magnification mapping changes the shape of the figure.
No.
What about size?
Changes.
Okay, so here there is one note. In magnification mapping, mapping does not change the shape of the figure but it changes the size of the okay, just it changes the size, but its origin will be same as it is in Z plane. Okay, let us take one more example. Suppose W is equal to Z plus 2 plus I. And similarly here also we have given a region in Z plane, and which is this one. Here somewhere is 1, 2, 1. That is where I to I. Now, and the region is somewhere here. Okay, so this will be a point 2 plus I. This will be I. Okay, this will be the point I, 2 plus I, and here is our 0. Now, just put the values of Z as 0, I, 2, 2 plus I. Again, we get W equal to 2 plus I whenever Z equal to 0. W equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4 plus I whenever Z equal to 2. W equal to 2 plus 2I whenever, sorry, Z equal to I, and W equal to 4 plus 2I whenever Z is equal to 2 plus I. Okay, now, sorry, as here we have to use the magnification, then we have to use different mapping. Since here we have using the translation, we have to use the magnification. There is a small mistake. Take W equal to 2Z and then apply the transformation. Suppose W equal to our 2Z. Okay. Now, which implies W equal to 2 into Z. Z equal to 0, then W equal to also 0, which implies W equal to, when Z is equal to, sorry, Z is equal to 2, then 2 into 2, 4. When Z is equal to I, then it is W equal to 2I, and whenever Z is equal to 2 plus I, then it is 4 plus 2I. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2I. Here Z0, Z equal to 2, Z equal to I, and here Z equal to 2 plus I. Now just draw a corresponding diagram. So here somewhere 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That is what I do here. 4. B. Now first will be W equal to 0. It means both X and Y are, sorry, both U and V are 0 here. Second point, W equal to 4. W equal to 4, it means this value will be 0. That is V will be 0. W equal to 2I here. So last one is W equal to 4 plus 2I. 4 plus 2I. So this region will be our required region. ओके, जो काही माझा रेक्टँगल इथं आहे तो माझा 2 टाइम्सनी मोठा असेल सुरुवातीचा. हा माझा रिजन असेल आर, आणखीन हा रिजन असेल आर, आणखीन हा 2 टाइम्स त्याच्या मोठा असेल. ओके, कुणाला काही डाऊट? ट्रान्सलेशन, रोटेशन, आणखी मॅग्निफिकेशन?
नो सर.
ओके.